A woman led police on a low-speed chase with her dog hanging out the window, holding the dog hostage. Oh, man. I guess the dog didn't really care. It says the dog doesn't have a care in the world. Where is the dog? I don't see the dog.
So in this video, it's the dog's out on the driver's side, poking out his head.
Where's the
Right
poking?
here.
Right there. Okay.
Right beside the red scarf.
Oh, the red scarf is like leaning up against, what is it? Some sort of, what is it, schnauzer? What are we looking at here?
So yeah, this got my attention mainly because of this GIF. Look at the car. Just look at it.
It's so beat up.
Look at the windshield.
Smashed. Well,
I don't think it's smashed. I think it's Is it smashed?
Oh, it's smashed. Okay.
Oh yeah.
And the front end is smashed too. At this point,
there's stuff out the wazoo.
But hang on. At this point, when the video is being taken, this vehicle has been smashed up because it's been on a low speed chase. The cops have probably been interfering with it to a certain extent.
Sure.
So I think it's been beat up a little bit. For the past couple of weeks, many police pursuits in LA area. Some are dangerous. This one was a little bit more subdued. The chase began in North Hills in the San Fernando Valley. LAPD attempted to pull a woman over for reckless driving. Oh, you're right. It's garbage in the front. Oh, my God. And that ain't no schnauzer. That looked like a pit bull almost.
Sure, yeah.
The chase was on. The woman's car is so beat up.
I probably can't show
not all
I'll
of it.
show some frames.
Oh, my God.
But it's like, oh man.
It's crumpled, but it's also full of garbage.
What is this? Is this like a poster?
I don't know. Just chugging along. I don't even think the dog was any kind of hostage. I think it just so happened to have its head out the vehicle, probably trying to get some fresh air because of all the garbage on the inside over here.
Yeah. What?
Oh, jeez.
Like, what's happening here?
Wow. Well, eventually she pulls over, and here we have the cops. Yeah. And there we have an end to that. And I presume the dog was unharmed, and probably I'm hoping that, the dog ends up in a better situation than the low-speed chase and the
just look at the
garbage
dashboard.
can with wheels over there, man. Imagine,
insane.
Jeez.